First, winter is coming, and Albuquerque officials want you to know how they plan to fight the elements.
And we have team coverage. Byron has the forecast, and Julian Pottas is live to show you what resources there are to battle the cold.
Well, Doug, Shelley, some of those tools include 42 different trucks and also more than 70 snow plows. Now, city officials say they are confident they have the manpower to handle bad weather, but they still want to let people know what to expect when bad weather hits.
If weather gets really bad this winter, services like bus routes and ABQ Ride could be impacted.
We'll do our best to make sure that our supervisors are making the rounds if we are shortening service to make sure that we don't have any stranded riders out there.
That also goes for trash pickup.
We will get your service. That it would be more likely if we did close that day, we would pick you up the next plowing day.
But departments across Albuquerque believe they are ready for anything. Officials say 75 people are staffed at 4 stations across the city, and one supervisor tells us when the next storm could hit.
I think from what I've seen on some of the models that we've kind of been watching, maybe within the next couple of weeks we might have a snowstorm.
Officials are also advising people to be careful in regards to how they stay warm. If you're housed, don't use your stove or oven to heat your home. It could lead to a fire or carbon monoxide poisoning. And of course, crews and officials want people in the city to drive safely.
If there's an accident and the traffic starts backing up, then our vehicles can't get through to service the roads.
And guys, those big snow trucks will eventually be seen around town, either plowing snow or dropping salt on the roads. Crews are advising people, if they see them, to stay at least 50 feet away from them. For KRET Action 7 News, I'm Julian Pottas reporting.
In Albuquerque, if you're not sure if buses are running or if your trash pickup will be delayed, call 311.